The work of the Community Foundation isn't just about giving. It's about connecting those who care with those who need in our community. Having strong relationships with the nonprofits in our area is so vital because it allows us to be more effective in our work.
When a donor comes to the Community Foundation and expresses a desire to make an impact in a specific area in Iowa City or Johnson County, we know that if that person is interested in basic needs, housing services, employment services, that the Community Foundation will be a careful steward of those donors' funds, but that they'll also help identify the needs that Shelter House has and connect the donor with the organization. There's a lot of organizations that are community connectors or that say that's their mission, but we've really felt that with the Community Foundation, and no more than in 2020 and 2021.
There are always silver linings to be found in difficult situations, and the pandemic created many of those for us. We were able to demonstrate how having a community foundation dedicated to serving the needs of our community could be activated in a time of emergency. And one example is the establishment of the Food with Love program. That program was established by local entrepreneurs in the restaurant space. They came to the Community Foundation saying that they had idle restaurant capacity and knew that nonprofit organizations were having trouble getting freshly prepared meals to people who needed it. And they both stepped forward to say, how can we lend our resources to support the needs of the community? And that's how the Food with Love project was created.
Being able to be at the Community Foundation where dollars are already there and we're able to disseminate them in the way that we were really worked well in the pandemic because we really didn't have the time to go through a long grant process. And so just being able to know that there are dollars allotted to help in times like that really made a difference on that ground level in the middle of a pandemic where people were able to eat every day, multiple meals a day. So to be able to have that just immediate need met is phenomenal. And that doesn't happen a lot for folks. And so I was very proud to be a part of that process and to work with the foundation on that level. Big win for our community.
Those early days and weeks of the pandemic were very challenging for so many people, and that's when we saw so many people shine. It was an amazing feat how quickly projects came together. And a great thing that happened as a result specifically of the Food with Love project is we now know that we have this infrastructure, this idea that we created that can be reactivated should there be another need for an emergent meal delivery system in our community. And we'll forever have that. And so the Food with Love project will live on through the work of the Community Foundation.